So, good morning, students. Today we will start geometry in class 10, chapter 6, and the chapter is triangles. Okay, so we are starting class 10 general mathematics, chapter 6, and the chapter is triangles. So, first we are considering the theorems. That is, the first theorem is 6.1, and the theorem is that if a line is drawn parallel to the side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides at distinct points, then we are to show that this line divides the other two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. Okay, so I am saying this again. We are given a triangle ABC. Okay, what we are given? We are given a triangle ABC, and it is given that DE is a line parallel to BC which intersects AB at D and AC at E, and we are to prove AD by BD equal to AE by CE. Okay, please go through the diagram. Diagram is that ABC is a triangle where DE is drawn parallel to BC intersecting AB and AC at D and E, and we are to prove AD by BD equal to what? AE by CE. Okay, so in theorem specially we have to consider three parts. Taking answer, we have to write the given portion, it is given in question. Then after we have to write two proof, that is what I have written in answer. Given ABCB a triangle where DE is parallel to BC. In question it is given that this, and to prove, that is we are to prove AD by BD equal to AE by CE. Okay, AD by BD equal to what? AE by CE. Then after we have to construct few things in the diagram. Okay, so construction is that we have to construct few things in the diagram which is not given in the question. It is to be constructed for the purpose of proving the theorem. Okay, it is to be constructed by our own depending on the ideas we have got in the earlier chapters or in earlier classes. We have to construct few things for our help so that we can prove the theorem easily. These are the construction part. Okay, so what is construction here? Construction is EN perpendicular AB, here EN perpendicular AB, and here is DM perpendicular AC is drawn. Okay, EN perpendicular to AB, DM perpendicular to AC, and then BE and CD are joined. So BE and CD are joined. Okay, so before starting the proof, I am saying the things again. In our theorem it is given that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, we are to prove these 2 points divides the other two lines in the same ratio. Okay, so the answer part will be given ABC be a triangle where DE parallel to BC. To prove, we are to prove, here it is written AD by BD equal to what? AE by CE. Construction part what I have said just, and proof. In proof, we have gone through a theorem in class 9. Please remember the things. It was given in one theorem that the areas of the triangles on the same base and within the same parallel lines are equal. Okay, what I have said, areas of the triangles on the same base and within the same parallel lines are equal. So here BDE is a triangle on the base DE, CDE is a triangle on the base DE, that is DE is the same base, and these two triangles are within the same parallel lines, that is within DE and BC. Then according to our theorem which we have read in class 9, the areas of these two triangles are what? Equal. So what I have written, since area of the triangles within the same parallel lines and on the same base are equal, so I have written area BDE equal to area CDE. Okay, now look at this. We are starting our main points to prove. Now we can write area ADE. Look at this, area ADE by area BDE equal to area ADE by area CDE. Okay, how this can be written? Area of both the triangles AD and ADE definitely will be same, and we have considered from our theorem in class 9, that is area BDE equal to what? Area CDE. So these two equations are what? Equal. Okay, and we all know the area of a triangle is what? Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. So if we consider the triangle ADE, then here base will be AD and perpendicular will be what? EN. So I am writing here area ADE will be half of AD into what? EN. Okay, half of AD into EN. What we have written? Half AD into EN. And then area BDE, please look at this. Area BDE, here the base is BD and the perpendicular will be EN. Okay, perpendicular will be what? EN. So I am writing half into BD into EN. Okay. Similarly, consider the triangle ADE, and here for the second triangle ADE, the base will be AE and the perpendicular will be DM. Because we have drawn two triangles, what I have said, the construction part is depending on yourself. For your help to prove the theorem, you need to construct few things in the diagram, for which I have drawn two perpendiculars. One is EN and another is DM. So in case of DM perpendicular, we are to consider the bases AE and perpendicular is DM. So I am writing half of DM into AE, half of DM into AE is equal to, divided by, area CDE will be, CDE will be half of CE into DM. Okay, here in case of triangle CDE, the base will be CE and perpendicular will be DM. Okay, half of DM into what? CE. Okay, half of DM into CE. So I am saying the things again. Since the triangles on the same base and within the same parallel lines are equal, for that we have written what? Area of BDE equal to area CDE. You have to note clearly this line only. Okay, this is the key line to prove this theorem. So I have written area ADE by area BDE equal to area ADE by area CDE. Then after I have written the formula for which half of AD into EN, that is area of the triangle, is half into base into height. So if you gone through this, I think you will be able to understand easily. So EN and EN will be cancelled, half and half will be cancelled. Similarly, DM and DM will be cancelled, half and half will be cancelled. So what will remain? The remaining thing is AD by BD equal to AE by CE. Okay, good. So this is our targeted part to prove the line parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the equal ratio. So what I have proved here, DE was parallel to BC and I have to prove AD parallel BD, AD divided by BD equal to AE by CE, and then I have proved AD by BD equal to AE by CE. Okay, so we will continue our classes from theorem 6.2 in our next video. So stay with us to get the proved theorems and other problems given in few exercises. So thank you all.